Track 110. Unit 8, Lesson 4. Listen and sing. Write the missing words. Our goodbye party.
There's going to be a party. It's the end of year 5. We're going to have a party for you and me. We're going to have a party. You must come and see. We're going to have lots of fun and everyone is going to come. We're going to have a picnic and play in the park. We're going to stay there very late and go home when it's dark. We're going to have cake and jelly, strawberries and big red cherries. There are going to be games, there are going to be races. There's going to be a quiz about countries and places. So please bring your friends, they can all come along. Now let's get ready and sing this song.